So today I'm going to show you how to create a Google business profile. And for anyone that has local business, this is so important. I myself have a business, and if you have a website and you have a Google business profile, aka GBP or GMB, whatever they're calling it these days, the GMB we're seeing about 80 to 90% of our traffic from, and the website much less. And this has been a big shift in consumer behavior. So to me, this is actually more important than my website in many cases for getting traffic, especially organic traffic to your business. So don't skip this. And to do this, go to Google, type in Google Business Profile, and you'll see a link here. So what you're going to want to do is click this, go to sign in. You're going to go to sign in or manage now. And you're going to go log in with your email, and specifically your business email. And if you don't have a Google account with your business email, don't worry, you can create one. It doesn't mean you have to use Gmail or anything like that. So just go to create account and go to manage my business. So you're going to create, use your first name. So I'll just use mine, Jeff Demo. Next. Just fill in information. Just gonna put in some fake information. Gender, you can pick or not, doesn't matter. And do this. Okay, so it's gonna ask you to verify your email address. So all you have to do is go into your email and get this code. Okay, so create a password. Okay, so you're gonna have to put your phone number to confirm you're not a robot. And after you've entered the code that they text you, you're going to be brought to this screen. Add in your phone number. I highly recommend this because Google has a history of banning businesses that they think are spammy. So the more trust that they have, the better it is. So I would use a trusted phone number, aka your own phone number, or if you have a business line, use your business line, but your business line needs to have a legitimate texting and calling feature. Now, I'm just setting this up for demo purposes. So I skipped the previous screen just because I put personal information, but you just follow the prompts and eventually you'll get to privacy and terms, and you just go to agree. It's pretty basic information. Now you want to put your business name in. So I'm just going to put my business name. You want to choose your business type. So for most of you, you're probably a service business. And then you want to select your business category. Now, this is actually really important. You're going to want to look at your competitors and see what business categories are doing well. Don't skip this part and don't keep it too generic. So for myself, I'm going to put marketing company because I know that's what it is. But for you, if you're a mortgage agent, you want to make sure you type in, look up your competitors, see what they're doing. And you want to put in what areas you serve. So this is really important as well. So for me, I'm in Toronto. So I'm just going to put Toronto. And you could put a few areas in. So if you're covering a wide area, I do recommend you put in maybe about 4 or 5 different parts. But for the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to move along. So this is where you're going to put your business phone number, and this is important. Make sure all of this is going to be public. So you want to make sure you put in the right information. Okay, so continue. All right, so this is probably the most important part. Google hates fake businesses, so they're probably going to send you some sort of verification. Usually it's via email. If you get lucky, you'll get instant verified or you get a phone call. That's best case situation. And this is the frustrating part because if they send a mail, they say 10 days, but I've seen it take up to 4 months. So we're going to cross our fingers and see what happens. Okay, so we got really lucky. Maybe it's because I'm sitting in the address I used. Maybe Google knows I'm here, but we got a call or text verification. So I'm going to take advantage of this and use the call notification. Okay, so right now Google is tweaking out a little bit. So, keep trying, log in again later if this happens. And this is extremely important. So don't not have a Google Business Profile Manager ever. And get your friends to review you, whatever it takes, because this is super important.